Hi my amazing viewers, let me show you how I did this. First thing first, you will apply your base coat because in this case I'm dealing with natural nails, so you have to apply your base coat. After proper prep, you don't need even primer, you just go ahead with your base coat and you will be good to go. But if you're not sure with your prep, just apply primer to be on the safe side. Okay, so this is how I usually massage my base coat on natural nails, so that when I apply my product like the way I'm doing here, you can see I'm placing my product on the cuticle, then I'm tilting the fingers facing downwards, then I just tap. I don't press my brush on these nails, I just tap and control my product towards the free edge. You let gravity do its work. Gravity will help your work to flow like the way you can see. Yes, and you remove excess like that and you control it. Then now you bring it back to the shape that you want. Then you repeat the same procedure to all the nails. So I wanted to show you guys I used two different methods to apply my acrylic. So this is a 2-bead method. First bead, you put it closer to the cuticles but not at the cuticles, then you let your gravity do the job. Then if you feel like you want to don't want to waste your products, you do that. So you let the product to settle the way you want it. As you can see, I'm controlling it and I'm gentle with it. I'm not rough. There are some people who like rough things. I am not that person. I'm a very gentleman, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want no trouble with my product. I just want to control it and let my gravity works for me. Then you're going to pick another smaller bead, then you put it close to the cuticles, then you control it like that. You let it settle, sip on the cuticles. That's where proper prep is important. Then you will remove excess if there is any, like that. You remove that excess. Yeah, sometimes they can be they can disturb you. Then you control and making sure your nails have body. Remember, we are dealing with natural nails. Then that's now me debulking. Yes, you have to debulk these nails using 5-in-1 drill before you start filing. So this one always help me save time, as I've talked about it in my videos. When you're done, definitely you have to buff. Then you will apply polish. If your client want polish, that's what you will do, because what your clients want is the most important aspect of nails, because you cannot do as you wish. Are we together? Yes, you cannot do as you wish, you do as your clients wish, unless otherwise. Unless otherwise, what I mean is you advise your client. And remember, if you don't buff your nails properly, application is going to be hectic and it's going to stress you out, because you will be applying gel and it appears like it is bumpy, and you don't want that to happen. So you do your first coat of gel, then you cure for like 2 minutes, then you go ahead and do your second coat and you cure. Then I wanted to do a marble design, a blooming gel design. So that's what I'm applying. In one of the fingers, you apply your blooming gel like that. Then you use your dotting tool. Okay, you use your dotting tool to pick the gel like that. Then you place it in directions that you want. So this is a blooming effect. It's not necessarily a marble, but it's a blooming effect. So that's the pattern I wanted to create, and you can do it whichever pattern that you want, as long as your blooming gel is working for you perfectly. That's what you do. So I placed my pattern like that. Then in this case, you don't, after applying blooming gel, you don't cure. Some of you will be dumb enough to cure. You don't cure. Okay, you let it bloom for a minute like that. Then you remove the excess on the side walls, then you apply top coat after umekiwa. Then you will have something like this amazing set. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.